okay, so many fans wants to have signed their appointments, but you know me, I'm so very hectic in schedule, you know na.
Oh, good for you.
Yes.
Okay. So I have different questions for you. So let's start. From question number 1, describe your role in the story.
I'm here is John McCall, a literary agent who uses gift of God to get various book deals, and his isn't afraid to spread the truth to get them, you know. Because this Jack McCall here is a very tragic and operatic story, so in the movie. Yes, thank you.
Cool. So my next question is, who is Dr. Sinja?
Dr. Sinja, it's Cliff Curtis. It's Cliff Curtis, the guru. It's my guru, you know. He's deceived and agrees to have Dylan only to later deliver a 5-page book. So it's only a 5-page book, not a 5-page deal.
So the next question is, who is your leading woman in the story?
There's Kerry Washington. His name is Carolyn, and my partner is I'm silent because of the tree, you know. But what happened is she is beautiful, I know. And what happened is I don't know how to speak because every time I speak, the body tree leaves come out. So you know, I can speak through him too many words because every words of a I
Next
spoke.
question is, what happened at night at your backyard?
At my background, you know, there's a tree. It's called the body tree. That every single word I speak, the leaf will fall. So if the leaf is gone in the tree, it will die, and me also will die.
The question is, what did you do with the axe?
So I hold the axe and I try to cut the tree, but when I try to cut it down, it has me a wound like this in my part of my body. So you know.
Alright guys, we'll have a short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Ayan.
Okay. Nandiyan ba si Mr. Goodman?
Ano kayo?
Huwag mo na kami tanungin.
Hindi kami nagpapasok dito basta-basta.
Hindi mo ba kami kilala?
Ay, sorry po. Sorry po, sir. Pasok na.
Alam mo pre, saan kasi nakakatakot din nandito eh. Kasi minsan mga hindi pa nakapunta sa dulo, tikok na.
Bakit?
Kasi yung binibenta ni Mr. Goodman, sarap eh.
Nag-a-addict tayo doon!
Nakaka-addict talaga yung mga pagkain ni Mr. Goodman eh.
Sarap ba?
Yung mga binibenta ni Mr. Goodman, yung mga may sipon, may tinapay na may sipon, alam mo yun?
Masarap yun.
Masarap
pre.
yun eh.
Nakaka-addict yun.
Tsaka alam mo pa yung ano? Yung tinapay nilang malutong. May tinapay silang malutong.
Sarap. Anong flavor? Chocolate?
Chocolate pati caramel. Pero yung bibili natin ngayon kasi medyo ano tayo ngayon.
Nakaka-addict talaga yun. Bagong product yun.
Bagong product na yun.
Masarap yun.
Sarap yun. Mr. Goodman.
Ah, kayo ba naghahanap kay Mr. Goodman? Ikaw ba si Mr. Goodman?
Ikaw ba si Mr. Goodman?
Ano sinasabi niya? Sino ba si Mr. Goodman? Ikaw ata yun eh. Sabi ng guard oh.
Huwag mo kami niloko dito ah.
Ako si Tibo siya talaga. Sisisantayin ko mamaya. Ako si Mr. Goodman. Ano ba kailangan niyo? Meron ka ba dyan? Ano kailangan? Meron ka ba dyan? Ano ba yun?
Meron ka ba diyang chungki?
Chunky! Chunky! Ba kailangan nyo? Sarap yun.
Masarap yan.
Cookie cream pie.
Cookie cream pie.
Hindi lang cookie cream pie yan. Ito ang gawa sa Choco Cream Center, crunchy cookies, jam juices, choco chip toppings.
Wow!
Mapapaluto sa sa'yo. Magkano ba yan? 6 pesos lang. SRP. Sip ko na. Gusto mo muna? Gusto niyo tikman? Tikman nyo! Nakaka-addict! Sarap talaga. Sarap ng chunky! Chunky. 6 pesos lang.
Welcome back to Haidam Sarap Sarap Talk Session again. What's up with the squares in the movie?
You know, the squirrels climb in the tree and it tickles me all over my body.
Next question. Can you talk about the garden?
You know, the gardener wants to poison that tree with a DDT, and I get so high with the perfumes.
Next question is, who is Clark Duke in the story?
You know, he's my assistant. So when I speak to my wife that I can speak because, you know, the leaf will fall, my assistant Aaron just realized that I'm telling the truth because maybe of my guru, you know.
Question is, how do you stop the curse?
You know, I consulted my guru and tells him to make peace in all of my relationship, my father, my mother, and my wife, you know.
Okay guys, we'll have a short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right.
Meron akong pagkain.
Ano ba yun?
Bigyan sa akin namin ngayon.
Ano ba? Cheap naman.
Nakakaantok talaga ng boring. Boring ang turo talaga ng prof na yun.
Nakakagutom ka lang.
Nagutom, parang gusto ko ng corn, wheat, tapos vegetables. Yung ano, medyo crunchy ba?
Yung ano, barbecue style na.
Barbecue style? Yung parang
Reno ba?
barbecue! Eh, gusto natin, di ba? Pre, ito na yung pinakamasarap na makakain natin sa ngayong araw na to. Bubuksan na ba natin?
Kain na natin yan.
Kain natin doon!
Welcome back to Haitang Sarap-Sarap Talk Show. What's the role of Ruby?
Oh, she's my mother in the story, and he has assist living center, and he has the dementia.
Question is, what happened to the tree?
You know, it's 3 lives remaining, and I spent it with my wife, and I said, I forgive you.
Is, what's with the tree again?
So with the tree with no lives remaining, I have a heart attack, and the stars appears in the sky. So, and I died.
Question, what happened to the end of the story?
You know, myself just come back to normal, you know. I can speak freely with no lips, but Aaron, you know, my assistant, my curse is come back to him, you know. So I can speak freely, so I decided to write a note, 1,000 words, so, you know, because that's the title of the movie.
Okay guys, we'll have a short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Pagod ka ba? Pre, ito, sabi, drinking water.
Welcome back to Haitang Sarap-Sarap Talk Show. Andy Murphy.
Thank you. It's nice to have you here in the High Times Sarap Show.
What would you like to tell about your viewers?
I want you to like to watch 1,000 Words, watch High Times Sarap Talk Show, watch Mayweather Pacquiao, May 2, watch you know, the volleyball. Oh no, the champion na para sila. So, hi sa mga kababayan ko dyan, sa Leyte, mga kapatid ko dyan, ingat kayo dyan.